1 plus 2 by 2. And there in this industry from the last 13 years, I was the youngest. When at the age of 26, I managed the entire South India academics to end terms. Any student who is watching my video, if you start getting addicted to my techniques, you will probably throw the book towards your teacher if he is using formula. Yes, he is. What I do is I only spend my time in making mathematics simple and easy to understand. Right? I have a greatest respect towards all the teachers, right, who make the students' dreams come true. N into n plus 2 by 4. N into n plus 1. Gaurav, I already answered the question. Put some dummy numerical values which will satisfy the equation. I already wrote it better. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6. D option, fourth option, n square. 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3, and so on up to n terms is yes. Find yes. If I put n value equivalent to 2. If I put n value equivalent to 2, sum of the first two terms, 1 plus 2 by 2, 3 by 2. This is nothing but 5 by 2. This is nothing but 5 by 2. Put n value 2 in the question. So 2 into 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is 5 by 2. Answer is n into n plus 3 by 4. N into n plus 3 by 4. N into n plus 3 by 4.